get the Lambo and drive. I was in the lab, you were on my mind, but all I really do is just go. I was in the bando a long, long time. Need to get the Lambo and drive. I was in the lab, you were on my mind, but all I really do is just grind.
I'm not even gonna go for it. I don't feel confident. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? I've been away from this bike for maybe like 3 weeks and I don't feel confident riding it. Wow, I've had this bike for almost 2 years now. 3,396 miles on the dot, and I've only been away from it for 3 weeks and I don't feel confident. What else can I say, man? It's not that I can't ride it. I can ride it perfectly fine, I just don't feel confident. And even though I'm a 600 boy, I still like the sound of this exhaust. Oh, no power there, fam. It's just done. Yo, riding this thing is so fun. I forgot that feeling of just giving it everything and nothing happening, man. It's horrible. That's a good start. That's a good start. There we go. People are so, why are you standing in the middle of the road when it's literally green for you to go? That car sticking out just gave me flashbacks. Position is throwing me off so much. Oh shit, let me get to the front of this one. I'm better now. I'll take it back what I said. I'm very confident on this again. Ooh, excuse me, where's my manners? What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost Off Track TV, and today is the day we're finally doing it. She's getting sold today. I can't believe it. She's actually getting sold, and it's crazy because almost 2 years ago now we started this journey. And she's the reason why I decided to. The whole reason why I even started riding a gear bike was for the ZX10R, but it all started with her. I mean, technically it started with a scooter, but like the geared bike journey started with her. The big bike journey started with the LXR, and I don't know, man, it's surreal that after today I will see her again, but most likely I won't be riding her no more. So I don't know, man, take that as you will, but she's been great, she's been amazing, and I'm gonna miss her so dearly. But we're going now, we're actually on the way right now to give her to her new owner. He's not there right now, so I'm gonna drop it off. I'm gonna go back to my house, and then I'm gonna ride my bike to his house again, because he's a good friend of mine actually. So I know she's gonna be in good hands. Well, I hope I hope she's in good hands. I don't want to come back next week and find out that she's written off again. Can you do that? Can you write off a bike twice? Oh man. But I think she'll just be in capable hands. So we're going to take the journey there, maybe reminisce over a couple things with the crash. The first day I bought her, I still remember the first day I bought her, and I had I remember when I first saw her, actually I was on the Honda PCX taking it in to get repaired because it actually dropped in some harsh winds that we had about a couple of days before. I was looking around for some garages, and it just so happened that around the corner from my house was a Lexmoto dealer. At the time I didn't realize it was a Lexmoto dealer. I just thought it was another garage. I just knew it was called SBK City Servicing. That's all I knew. It's like taking a piss. I don't like these bicycles, man. Just get out of the way, please. Oh, fuck's sake. As well. Just got it. Driving at this time, it's just around London, it's just so annoying. So yeah, I had dropped the PCX, or not I dropped it, but the winds dropped the PCX while it was parked while I was at work. Took it in to get repaired to this shop that was just happened to be around the corner from my house. I thought I'd try it, why not? And it just so happened to be a Lexmoto dealer, and right there, lined up with a whole bunch of different bikes that I really don't remember, was this exact bike that you see here. And I couldn't believe it. This is the bike I had been looking at for the past couple of days. I was like, what the hell? And it looked way better in person than it ever did in those pictures, let me tell you that. And it looked damn good in those pictures. It looked super sexy in those pictures. And that was the very first. I remember I made a snap at this as well. I made a Snapchat saying that this is the bike I was going to get. I made a Snapchat saying that I will have this bike by the end of the year. And I don't know how I did it. I genuinely don't remember how I did it. But I bought this bike. What the fuck? 2 months after. I bought this bike 2 months afterwards. Oh, and that's the story of the first time that I ever saw this bike. We're almost here, we're right around the corner now. So I'm gonna drop this bike off, but this isn't over. There's more to the story.